setup and then choose positioning of parameters. So right now is empty. So before we start, we need to be very clear that which position we're trying to program. So if you look at this can go around and around. But in this program, we're going to define which one is a position 1, which one is position 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's start from position 1. I want to make this position 1. So once you place the drivers in the right position, you're going to start setting up. And because we don't have any presenter feeder, so I'm going to cancel that. And that is position 1. So now I want to move to position 2. This is my position 2. So I'm going to set add another position 2. And then I'm going to move to position 3 right here. I'm going to add another position 3. And I'm going to move to position 4, which is right up lower left corner. And add a position. And then I'm going to move to the center and make that position number 5. So I'm going to edit position number 5. So let me save what we just did and then go back to the map of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the images load up. I just need to drag the positions. This is not determining anything except just to mark where the positions are. So later on, this kind of vision is going to show up while you're operating. So imagine that the operator is trying to follow this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and do the right thing. And that's exactly what this map is about. So let me save that. And save again for all the settings. I'm going to go back to the main screen. So now I have, let me reset this. Okay. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as I just said. And what happened is, with the help of the encoder number 1 and 2, and the motions of the driver, I define the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and store the coordinate in the system. And I also have a power adapter that's supplying the power to the tool, but also through the signal, actually being governed by the device manager that will allow the power to power on or power off. If I'm not in the right position, then the adapter will not send the power to the driver. If I'm in the right position, then the power will be set through the driver so the operator can proceed to work. So there's a one workpiece comes in, and the operator needs to operate on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 position in order to do the work. Right now, I need to initiate the device. Now, I can initiate the device through either on the screen to click like reset and then activate, or I can also reset and activate by the barcode scanner. So now the system is activated. What does that mean? That means the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is now in force. Operator has to follow these steps in order for the tool to operate normally. For example, right now, if I'm just not in the right position, I get no power to the tools. But if I move it, and you can hear a click, and also the color change from purple to yellow. That means now the system is the standby mode, which means, okay, you're in the right position, let me give you power. So now, if I operate, I get the power. And when I'm done, the yellow turns green. That means you followed the process and you did the right thing. So I have to give you a green light. Now it's time to move on to the next position. If I move to this, if I move to this, if I move to this, the system does not respond to any of your motions. But when I move it to the next position, once again, the purple turns yellow. And now the system sets power through to the driver again, so now I can operate. Okay, number 2, green. 1 and 2, green, done. So now I'm going to move to number 3. Done. Okay, I'm going to move to number 4. Done. And I'm going to move to number 5. Done. So now if I try to operate again, it doesn't have a yellow standby indicating. So you're not going to get anything at all from this until you reset the system. So once again, I'm going to reset it.